Dear parents and students, welcome to Kota Maths Lab video tutorials. This particular app is developed for improving mathematical basic skills in the children. Here the students will get an easy learning method through our systematically developed worksheets. All these worksheets have been combined in a booklet called as How to Improve Your Mathematics in Easy Steps. In fact, these worksheets are for any student learning from 5th level to 8th level. As an author, I always feel a student studying in 8th standard can also come down to 5th level so that he will start the basic learning from the 5th grade itself. If the student studying in either 5th or 6th standard is quite excellent in his or her studies, may well switch over to 7th standard worksheets also. The book contains nearly 200 to 220 worksheets, and each worksheet is leveled as on the basis of its difficulty level, leveled as a 0, level 1, level 2, level 3 learning and so on. The contents of this topic, the book or the course are numerals and numbers, integers, exponents, fractions, algebraic operations, algebraic properties, circles, percentages, decimals, ratio and proportion, speed and time and distance, simple interest, commissions and discounts, sets, products of algebraic expressions, linear equations, statistics, and graphs. This is how the entire contents will be discussed through various worksheets. As an author, I, Vishwanath Nagathan, would reiterate that the confidence of mathematics will be developed in the child in a very short interval of time. On subscribing, you will understand the course period goes from 30 days to 90 days. It depends on how the child actually cooperates with the learning abilities. If he copes on doing it, goes on increasing the ability one after the other worksheet, he may take up, she may take up the worksheets faster and proceed on. In all these, the worksheet book contains the worksheets like this. Let me explain you this. How the worksheets are being discussed through our course. Here, the topic chosen is algebra, and this has started from worksheet number 63. Behind this 63, there will be 64, and next is 65, next is 66 and 67 and so on. In this, level 1 will begin. There is no level 0, that is, there is no basic play. But however, when you actually opt the course through subscription, you will get the detailed version of this, even zero discussion. Here in level 1, we have talked about the revision. Therefore, we call it as level 1 learning of algebra study. In level 3, we discuss about addition of algebraic terms. In level 3, we discuss about horizontal subtraction and so on. There are approximately a total of 13 level of learning. 13 level of learning in case of algebra. Like this, in each of these, you will be discussing something like this. I'll just give you one example. A combination of algebraic terms or an algebraic term with a constant connected by either plus or minus sign is called as a combination of algebraic terms or an algebraic term with a constant connected by either plus or minus sign is called as an algebraic expression. That is how the definition goes on. This will be explained through various different examples. When examples will be taken, automatically the child will understand how to define a given term, and then 3x plus 2y, 4x minus y, x plus 2, 3x by 4 plus 2 are the examples of what? These examples are algebraic expressions. Similarly, in this topic, we'll be discussing about monomials, binomials, trinomials, polynomials, and so on. If at all you take a look at the other worksheet here, in this, add the following. So, like terms, discussion will take place here slowly, and addition will be allowed. First, before giving you these worksheets, we will be discussing in detail how it has to be carried out, how the entire calculations as described by the worksheets must be carried out will be explained, and after that worksheets will come to you through mail to your mail ID. While subscribing, you will be furnishing us your mail ID through which we will send you the worksheets as scanned copy. If you have a printer at your home, please do print them and keep it with you. And when we come to the video class, automatically you will understand what is being covered and how to do it. In the further stages, I will explain how each worksheet has to be discussed properly, and I will be giving a supportive demo class each time. That will help you a lot, and you can carry on your learning process simply in a comfortable manner. Dear parents, do view this worksheets of mathematics as a most valuable tool of learning mathematics during this off-school period. Schools are off, children cannot move anywhere, but at the same time they require good learning tool as well. If you take another example of the worksheet here, in this worksheet, here we are discussing the horizontal subtraction of algebraic terms. Here is an example of the kind. 6m plus 2n from 8m minus 5n. This has to be subtracted. And the space shown here will be useful for you to do this. And we will be showing you an example in the further videos that would come later when you subscribe our course. Similarly, in the next level of learning algebra, you will find vertical subtraction here, and the example will be explained like this. And similarly, you go on finding different worksheets with different levels of learning. Dear parents, please observe, you will get all these contents one by one, slowly. You will get every single detail each time, and you will also get the worksheets once you subscribe our channel. During COVID period, let us not stop learning. Let it go on. Let the children enjoy mathematics. One thing I want to remind you here. I have not added any effects to these videos like background sound, music, or something like flowers falling from the above. It is all about the Cartoon Network, I feel. We are more concerned about mathematics. We are not concerned about showing a cartoon channel to the children at this time. Therefore, please value these videos as pure learning of mathematics tool. Mathematics learning is going to be systematic through these worksheets. Please subscribe to our app Kota Maths Lab, and you will have, at a very less price, you will be getting your children's mathematics improved in a more scientific manner. Happy learning. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your support.